Hello my friends, good evening. This video was filmed yesterday. I couldn't edit it that yesterday because I was so upset of what was going on. So today I was so busy. I wasn't also able to edit it. See this girl, you see this girl? I didn't know this is what my daughter was doing until I start editing this video. I said let me drop it here for you guys to see what these children do behind the door. Wow, who teach her this one? Buying someone or something like that. Who teach her? Who taught her this nonsense now? Oh God. Hello my friend, if you are seeing this video for the first time, my name is Amarachi, a mom of 3 kids. Her husband banned from doing social media but still hides in doing it, and she gave her head for it. I greet you. As you can see, I'm drinking garri. The leftover yam I won for them earlier, they were the only one who ate it. I didn't eat anything, so before I would have been done with what I asked the man of the house to give us money to go buy something. Let me cook for the kids. He was still doing no money. I just got angry, finish with what I was doing. When I was done with what I was doing, I still see that he was not ready to bring anything. I went in to take the last rice that was there, bring out the maggi, onions and pepper I have there with crayfish. Thank God I have enough crayfish. I have to use it and cook it like that. Before that, I was already farming. I have no choice than to rush garri first, hold my stomach cooking this. He almost hit me again yesterday. What inspired between us is this. I need this moringa powder, and the last one I got is very costly, so I decided to make the powder myself. The last time I visited our home for a burial, I got some moringa leaf from the tree because we have it in our house. So I got enough leaf, came back here, then I was drying the leaf so that I could be able to match to get the powder. Only for him to see the leaf and said, "What is this?" Wanted to throw it away. I said, "No, I'm the one that kept those things." He said, "What is this?" This is how you be seeing things and you start following them to do. You don't know the meaning of what you are doing. Before you know it, you will take the one you will take and develop a health issue other than what is wrong with you that made you want to take this, or you will die in a spot. I said, God forbid, I will not be the one to die. I told you that I want to take it. Why not remove your hand in anything that concerns me? You start exchanging words with me with harsh words. The normal way he used to talk to me, insult me in and out. So I was retaliating too. I didn't keep quiet. I was answering him. If he's talking to me, I was back at him. We continued exchanging words that I didn't even know that my words got at him that much until he raises his hand at me. At that moment, that was when I realized that what I said really got to him. What came out of my mouth at that point was, "Again, you want to hit me the second time?" And he seized his hand back and walked away. I said, wow. Truly, there's always a first time. I didn't say anything to him again. I just concentrated on what I was doing, and this is me coming out in public. Please, my friend, whoever will see this video, please, my nails are on the ground. I need an assistant, please. I need to move out of this place before this man starts using me as a punching bag or a beating drum. This is not what I wish for myself. Please, I need a support. Anyone that can help me with a house rent. Let me just go out somewhere and look for a house and stay with my kids. Please, I will just look for any petty something to do. Just the money to get an apartment. Just the money to get for an apartment. Please, my knees are on the ground. This is me coming out in public. I don't normally do this. I don't like doing it, but I have no choice. It has gotten to me up here that I can't even, I'm suffocating already. So guys, I need your help because I can't really be with a man whose mentality has turned to violence. Please. May I ask, don't I have a house? I live in a thick forest where there's no communication, no light. No one can communicate to you. You can't communicate to anyone. If you want to verify, I'm open for that. Thanks and God bless you. And this was the time I was done cooking and eating yesterday. Thanks for sticking to the end. Bye.